If you need to cancel a pending transaction on Instagram, follow these simple steps to ensure it is done correctly before it completes. Step 1. Open Instagram. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile page. Step 3. Access settings. In your profile, tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, select Settings at the bottom of the menu. Step 4. Navigate to Payments. In the Settings menu, look for the Payments option. Tap on it to view your transaction history and pending transactions. Step 5. Cancel the transaction. Find the pending transaction you wish to cancel. Tap on it and look for an option to cancel or dispute the transaction. Follow the prompts to complete the cancellation process. After following these steps, you should successfully cancel the pending transaction on Instagram. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Instagram support for further assistance.